Welcome back to another live proof video. Look right at my screen. What you are seeing is my actual, live Adsterra dashboard, completely refreshed to show today's payouts and active earnings. If you are serious about changing your financial situation, pay attention, because the Adsterra loading method is engineered to deliver a 100% earning guarantee starting from day one, pushing a minimum of $100 into your account every single day. Let's address the most common technical questions right out of the gate. First, you do not need to buy a high-end, expensive computer to run this. This powerful bot runs seamlessly on any normal, basic device you already have at home. Second, you do not need to deal with the headache of building a website, registering domains, or paying monthly web hosting fees. The bot requires nothing more than your Adsterra direct link to generate these results. There are no hidden fees, no recurring subscriptions, and zero additional investment required to get started or keep it running. The price for this complete, lifetime method is a flat, one-time payment of $250. I accept secure international payments via Binance, USDT, and Payout. I understand how many fake videos and edited screenshots circulate on YouTube every day. I refuse to operate that way. If you have even the slightest doubt about the authenticity of this video, I invite you to test me. Message me directly, and I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk connection with you. I will log into my personal Adsterra account and refresh the browser live right before your eyes. My name is Adam Infroy, and I stand by every single number I show you. Stop wasting time on methods that lead nowhere.